Oil just surged 12%, literally overnight. Now, most people are panicking about what that means for gas prices. But if you're a serious investor or if you care about your retirement account, this is much bigger than the pump. Oil touches everything. It impacts supply chains, inflation, interest rates, the stock market, and yes, your retirement portfolio, especially if you're in TSP, a 401k, or IRAs. So in this video, I'm going to break down which ones for what caused the spike in oil prices, how it's going to ripple through the economy, which funds in your TSP are most at risk, what sectors might actually benefit, and how I'm thinking about my own investments in real time. This isn't fear-mongering, it's about being informed and proactive. Because oil price shocks don't just affect what you pay at the pump, they can delay your retirement, shrink your returns, and shake up your FIRE plan. So let's dig into why this price spike is happening and what it means for your money. So why did oil prices suddenly spike 12%? This wasn't random. A few key things came together at once to drive prices up fast, and they all point to global instability and supply constraints. First, there was a geopolitical event, either a major conflict, a disruption in the Middle East, or direct threats to oil production hubs. When that happens, the market immediately prices in future supply risk. Second, you've got OPEC plus decisions. If oil-producing countries announce cuts in output, or even hint at tightening supply, prices shoot up almost instantly. It's simple supply and demand. Third, we're seeing inventory drawdowns. U.S. oil reserves are already below average levels, and any threat to future availability makes traders nervous. That drives up futures prices, which spill over into the rest of the market. And finally, speculation and momentum trading. Once oil starts climbing, algorithmic traders and hedge funds pile in, adding fuel to the fire. So even if nothing has been cut off yet, the perception of risk is enough to spike prices, and that filters down into everything else. Next, let's talk about how these rising oil prices actually impact the stock market and your investments